Isikhungo esilawula ukundiza kwamabhanoyi i-Air Traffic and Navigation Services sidalule ukuthi izikhumulo zezindiza i-OR Tambo International kanye neLanseria International zombili eziseGauteng yizona ezizobe zisebenza kakhulu ngesikhathi sengqungquthela ye-G20.
As a country have dedicated OR and Lanseria as the main airports for G20, including the Waterkloof. Obviously, the Waterkloof is the military airport. We also have airports that have been designated as the parking airports for G20 purposes in the event of an overflow. Those will be Fale, Bloemfontein, Polokwane, as well as Kruger.
Lesikhungo sithi sisabhekene nezinselele zokungabi nazo izisebenzi ezanele kwezinye izikhumulo zezindiza.
We still have some challenges with OR Tambo in that for the tower we are way below our target. Our target, as I've indicated, is 80%. We're currently sitting at 67%. Approach, we're sitting at 57%, and area, we're sitting at about 61%.
Lesikhungo siphinde sadalula ukuthi ibhodi laso lisalidingida udaba lokuqokwa kwesikhulu esiphezulu salesikhungo.
The board is seized with this matter, and in due course the board will pronounce on the process that has unfolded with the CEO. At this point in time we are unable to express a view on this matter.
Ngasekuqaleni kwalonyaka ungqongqoshe wezokuthutha wahlangana nalesikhungo kulandela izinselele ezithinta ukubambezeleka kwezindiza nezashiya abagibeli bekhungathekile.